In this video, we're going to be learning the bones of the foot. We'll start with the 7 bones that form the ankle region. These are called the tarsal bones. Now, the tarsal bones are organized into 2 groups, a proximal row of 3 bones and a distal row of 4 bones. Let's look at the proximal bones first. The first tarsal that we can mention is this one here. It's the uppermost tarsal bone. We refer to this as the talus. The talus articulates with the tibia and fibula of the leg. I always think the talus, if you look at it from the side, kind of looks like a claw or talon. Below the talus, we have this very large bone here that forms the heel. This is the calcaneus. Calcaneus is a Greek word that means heel, so calcaneus is the heel bone. In front of the talus, we have this bone here, which is called the navicular bone. The navicular, if we look at it from this perspective, kind of looks like a little ship. Navis means ship. So the navicular, talus, and calcaneus are the proximal tarsals. The distal row of tarsals is formed by the medial, intermediate, and lateral cuneiforms. Cuneus means wedge-shaped because they're wedged in here. And then the cuboid, which is over here on the lateral side, cuboid simply means cube-shaped. Beyond the tarsal bones, we have 5 metatarsals. Meta means beyond, so literally the bones beyond the tarsals. These form the arch of the foot. Starting on the big toe side, we have metatarsal 1. Then we simply count over metatarsal 2, metatarsal 3, metatarsal 4, and metatarsal 5 over on the small toe side. Now, one thing to keep in mind, the metatarsals are going to be near the toes. The metacarpals are up near the fingers. So the way I always remember these, because sometimes anatomy students get them confused, you drive a car with your carpals and your metacarpals, and your metatarsals and tarsals are close to the toes. It's an easy way to keep the terminology straight. Now, when we look in the toes, we can see that we have 14 phalanges. The good news is we name the phalanges in the toes the exact same way as we name the phalanges in the finger. The big toe has 2 bones, a proximal phalanx 1 and a distal phalanx 1, and all of the other toes have 3 bones. Proximal phalanx 2, middle phalanx 2, distal phalanx 2. Proximal phalanx 3, middle phalanx 3, distal phalanx 3.